Avenue School Director, Reverend Father Rolando R. Agustin, to our Institutional Vice Principal, Ms. Marife Escandor, to our Special Education Vice Principal, Ms. Jennifer Vicente, to our CCFIE Head, Mr. Romulo R. Fuentes, our school administration, non-teaching staff, faculty, students, and parents. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our Special Education Recognition Day as we embrace the profound theme, Kabataang Pilipino at sa katatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. In a nation where every individual is valued and every voice is heard, the Filipino youth stands as torchbearers of progress and change. Today, we celebrate not just their brilliance and unwavering spirit, shaping a more inclusive and equitable society. As we reflect on the journey of our special education community, we are reminded of the profound impact each and every individual makes in building a better Philippines. Together, we affirm our commitment to nurturing environment where every Filipino, regardless of their abilities, has the opportunity to thrive and contribute meaningfully to our nation's growth. Let us honor the dedication of our educators, their extra miles of teaching and caring our students in the special education department, the unwavering support of the families, especially giving more of their time and efforts, and the remarkable achievements of our pupils and students in showing and developing their talents. Together, let us continue to champion inclusivity, equality, and dignity for all as we pave the way for a new Philippines built on the foundation of diversity, understanding, and acceptance. My dear students, parents, and the whole MIPS community, once again, welcome, and let's make the ball rolling for the receiving of different awards that our pupils and students deserve. Thank you to all. Welcome once again. God bless us all. That all may be one.